Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Woodgrange, close in Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a spacious 2-bedroom terrace property with a double driveway providing off-road parking to the front. As we enter, we go into this lovely space. Nice, good size lounge, which leads on through, separated by an arch. So this kitchen dining space through here, which is nice and modern. As we head towards the rear of the property, it benefits from a conservatory, adding further space. And then it provides access to a generous garden to the rear, which is low maintenance. As you can see, it's all paved. The property is in a really convenient location with an easy access for transport links throughout Manchester, including into Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre. Within walking distance of amenities, including local shops, along with local parks and schooling too. As we head upstairs from the landing, you'll find a nice modern 3-piece bathroom, along with 2 good-sized double bedrooms. This is the second just through here. And then we have the large main bedroom just through here, offering a lot of space. Like I say, in a really convenient location, it would be a great first time home or investment. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.